Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter money, and the lessons we're going to cover today are multiply money amounts, divide money amounts, count coins and bills up to $5. Purchases, do you have enough money up to $10? Then again, purchases, do you have enough money up to $10? And making change. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on. Let's just start with the first one, that is multiply money amounts. Okay, so you have to multiply 0.01 times 7. So you can multiply like without decimal, and then you can put the decimal back on the position. Got it? Like you have 0.01, you can simply do 1 times 7. 1 times 7 is, we know, 7. Got it? You have a 0 in between, you have a decimal point in between two zeros, so you can just put the decimal point there. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, let's just start with the test. The first one is 3 times 0.05. Got it? So you have 0.05 times 3. Got it? So you can just multiply like without decimal, just do 5 times 3. We know the 5 times 3 is 15. So here you have 2 digits before decimal. So you have to put 0.15. Here you have 2 digits. Got it? You just have to look for the exact place of the decimal point. The rest of the things are exactly same. Got it? So it would be 0.15. Correct option is 0.15. Okay, the next one is 2 times 2. So which is the correct option? 2 times 2 is, yes, that is 2 times 2 makes 4. So the correct option is 4. Okay, the next one is 1 times 0.01. Yes, 1 times 1 makes 1. 1, when you multiply 1 with any number, the answer is exactly the same number. So it would be 0.01. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have to do 1 times 9. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 19. 1 times any number makes the same number. Got it? So it would be 9. Okay, the next one is 9 times 9. You have to count 9 until 9. So 9 times 9 makes, you have to count a table of 9 until 9. So 9 times 9 makes 81. So the correct option is $81. Got it? Okay, the next one is 4 times 0.02. So you have to do 0.02 times 4. Got it? So let's just start. 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 0 is 0, and you have decimal point. So it would be 0.08. Got it? Yes, that is 0.08. Got it? Okay, the next one is 7 times 0.01. So which is the correct option? 1 times any number equals the same number. So 1 times 7 is 7. It would be 0.07. Got it? Okay, 5 times 1. So which is the correct option? Yes, we have to do 5 times 1. That would be 5. The correct option is 5. Okay, the next one is you have to multiply 5 times 4 times 0.05. So which is the correct option? You have to do 0.05 times 4. So 4 times 5 makes 20. So you have to put decimal point after two digits. So it would be 0.20. Got it? The correct option is 0.20. Okay, the next one is multiply 2 times 8. So 2 times 8 is, yes, 8 times 2 makes 16. So it would be 16. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. I think the next one is divide money. Yes, that is divide money amounts. Let's just start with the next one. So we have done with multiplication. Now we have to do division. Got it? We know how do we divide 6 divided by 2. That means you have to count a table of 2 until it makes 6. So which is the correct option? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, the first one is 0.48 divided by 8. Okay, you have to count a table of 8 until you get 48. So 8 times what number is 48? Yes, that 8 times 6 makes 48. So we can go for 8 times 6. You have to put a decimal point right before because you have one decimal point before 48. So it would be 0.6 makes 0.48. So when you subtract, it makes 0. So the correct option is 0.6. 0.06 because you can see you have two digits right after decimal. So you have to complete two digits. So it would be 0.06. Sorry. Got it. The correct option is 0.06. Okay, the next one is 0.84 divided by 4. Okay, let's just divide 0.84 divided by 4. Okay, let's just put decimal point first. Now you have to count 4 until 8. So 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 1 is 4. So that would be 0.21. Got it? That means the correct option is 0.21. Okay, the next one is you have to divide 0.08 divided by 2. So which is the correct option? You have to count the table of 2 until 8. So 2 times what number is 8? 2 times, yes, 4 is 8. It would be 0.04. Very good. Okay, the next one is 0.08 divided by 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, 4 times 2 makes 8. So it would be 0.02. Okay, the next one is 60 divided by 6. So which is the correct option? 6 times you have to count a table of 6 until 60. So 6 times what number is 60? It would be 6 times 10 makes 60. So very good. That would be 10. Okay, you have to divide 73 by 1. 1 times what number makes 73? One times 73 makes 73. Got it? That would be 73. Very good. Okay, you have to divide 0.06 divided by 1 divided by 0.06. So which is the correct option? One times 0.6 makes 0.6. Got it? One time any number equals the same number. So it would be 1.0. 1 times 0.06. Okay, you have to divide 22 divided by 2. So which is the correct option? 2 times what number makes 22? Yes, very good. That would be 11. 2 times 11 makes 22. So the correct option is 11. Okay, the next one is 0.06 divided by 3. Yes, that would be 3 times 2 makes 6. So it would be 0.02. Got it? The correct option is 0.02. You have to put decimal point the exact place the divisor or dividend is. Got it? Just complete the digits. So switch 0.24 divided by 6, which is the correct option? You have to count 6 until 24. So 6 times what number is 24? You have to count a table of 6 until 6 times 4 makes 24. Got it? So you have two decimal places right after decimal, so it would be 0.04. The correct option is 0.04. Got it? Okay, the next one is 0.06 divided by 2. So which is the correct option? 1 or 2, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 2 times 3 is 6, so it would be 0.03. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is count coins and bills up to $5. So we are going to count the money. We're going to learn how do we count the money. Got it? How much money is there? You can see you have two notes, $1 each. You can see here one. That means they are $2. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have to now count the coins. Got it? So first of all, you have to count the quarters by counting up by 25. So you have one, two, you have three quarters. One, this, one, two, and three, they are quarters. And you can count quarter by 25. Got it? So you have two bills, 2.25, then 2.50, then 2.75. Got it? Then you have only one. This one is the nickel. Nickel you have to count by 5. So 2.75 plus 5, 2.05 is 2.80. Then you have two pennies. You can count the pennies by ones. Just add one. So it would be 2.81 and plus 1. That would be 2.82. Got it? That would be $2.82. That's how you count the money. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, how much money is there? You have to count the money. Got it? So first of all, you have two golden coins. They are the first of all you have one, two. You have two of the nickels. You can count the nickels by 25. So it would be, let me just write it down here. Okay, you have two of the nickels. You can count them 0.25 and 0.25 when you add them. Okay, then you have one and two of the dimes. You can count them by 0.01 and 0.01. Got it? No, 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 sorry. You can count the nickels by 0.05 and hold on, I forgot. You can count nickels by 10. Yes, here it is. You can count the dimes by 10. Got it? Then you have the nickels. You can count the nickels by 5. You have 3 nickels. And then you have count the pennies. You have 2 pennies. You can count the pennies by 1. Got it? You have only one dime. You can count the dime by 10. Then you have to count a nickel. You can count a nickel by 5. So you have 3, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Then you have to count the penny. You can count the pennies by 1. So it would be 27 cents. Got it? So the correct option is 27. Okay. Let's What's wrong with the OK button? Okay, the next one is how much money is this? You have to count the money. You have two bills that would be for $2. I think that's the same we did on the tutorial. God, yes, that's the same. Okay, you have then two dimes. You can count the dimes by 10. Hold on. Okay, you have two bills. So that would be 2. Then you have to count the coins. Okay, so we have two bills. Now you have to count the quarters. We can count the quarters by 25. So we have two quarters. You can count them by 25. Got it? So, and then you have nickel. You have one nickel. You can count the nickel by 5. Then you have this is also the quarter, and then you have one. You can count them by 1. Got it? So you have 2 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. So it would be 2.25, 25, 25 makes 75, and 5 makes 80 and 82. So it would be 2.82. That's the same we did on the tutorial. So it would be 2.82. Got it? The correct option is 2.82. Okay, let's just move on to next one. Okay, you have just one bill, and the bill is for $5, and you have only one coin. Got it? The coin is the dimes coin. So you can count the dime by tens. Got it? So you have a $5 bill and a $10 coin. So it would 10 cents 5 and 10. So it would be 5.10. Got it? So the correct option is option number 1. It would be 5.10. So the correct option is 5.10. Got it? Okay, the next one is you are given a bill and two coins. So the bill is for $5, so it would be 5. Then you have a nickel and a penny. Got it? You can count the nickel by 5 and dime by 1. So 5 plus 1 makes 6, so it would be 5.06. Got it? So it would be 5.06. Okay, the next one is, okay, I forgot to select the correct option. It would be 5.06. Okay, how much money is there? You have a bill. Bill is for $5. Then you have to look at the coin. You have the quarters. You can count the quarters by 25. Got it? You have two quarters, you can count them by 25 it is and 25 it is, so it would be 5.50. Got it? So the correct option is 5.50. Got it? Okay. The next one is how much money is there? You have just two coins and they both are the pennies. Got it? You can count the pennies by 1. So 1 plus 1 makes 2. So that would be just 2 cents. So the correct option is 2 cents. Got it? Okay, the next one is how much money is there? So you have how many bills? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 bills. Now let's just look at the coins. You have quarters. You can count the quarters by 50. Then you have, no, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You have two quarters. You can count them by 25, not by 50. Got it? You have just one dime. You can count a dime by 10, and then you have two pennies, you can count them by 1. So it would be 4.25. 25 makes 50 and 10 60, and 262 it would be 4.62 dollars. Got it? The correct option is $4.62. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is purchases. Do you have enough money up to $10? Let's just start with the next question. Okay, a bike light cost $4.39. Do you have enough money to buy it? Okay, you can buy the bike light for $4.39. Now you have the money given. You can see if the money is enough for the purchase you want to buy. So you have $4 bill. Got it? And just look at the coins. You have $4 bills. You have a quarter. You can count the quarter by 25, and you have a nickel. You can count a nickel by 5, so it makes 4.30. Got it? But the light is 4.39. That means the given money is not enough to buy the bike light. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, that's the just we did one. That's the one we just did. A bike light cost $4.39. Do you have enough money to buy? No, that is 4.30. Got it? But the money you need is 4.39. Got it? And I think I clicked that. Yes, I have to click on the no. Yes, I just click without looking at the. Okay, the next one is an orange popsicle costs 0.52. So do you have enough money to buy it? Okay, we have to look for the money. So you have, first we have to count by the quarters. We have just one quarter. It would be 0.25. Then you have two pennies, 1 and 0.01 and 0.01. And then you have dimes. You have two dimes. You can count them by 10. It would be 0.10 and 0.10. Got it? So it would be 0.25, 0.35, 0.45, and then you have to add 0.01, 0.01. That would be 0.47. That means the money you have is 0.47 cents, but you need $0.52. That means no, that is not enough money. Got it? You don't have the enough money. Got it? The correct option is no. Okay, the next one is a ham sandwich cost $2.22. Do you have enough money to buy it? You have to see the money is enough. You have 2 cents, you have two bills, got it? Now just look at you have three of the pennies and one of the nickel. You can count the nickel by five and one, one, and one. So it will be 2.08. Got it? And you need 2.22. So that means the given amount is not enough. The answer is no, this is not the enough money to buy the sandwich. Got it? So the correct option is no. Okay, the next one is a kite cost $8.28. Do you have enough money to buy it? Okay, let's just look at the amount. So you have a $5 bill and one, two, three, eight. You have $8 bill. Now you have to count the you have quarters. You can count the quarter by 25. Okay, then you have a dime. You can count a dime by 10. Then you have a nickel. You can count a nickel by 0.05, and then you can count the nick pennies by 1. Got it? So it would be 8.10, 35, 25 plus 10 is 35, and then you have 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. You have 8.44, and you need 8.28. That means yes, you can buy a kite. Got it? The correct option is yes. That means you can buy the kite. The correct option is yes. Got it? Okay, the next one is a comic book costs $3.20. Do you have enough money? Okay, let's just see the money we have is okay. We have $3 bill, and then just look at the money. Okay, you have three bills, and just look at the coins. You can count the quarter by 25. You can count the dime by you can count the nickel by 1, and you can count the dime by 10. So it would be 3.25 plus 10 is 35 and 136. That means the total amount is 3.36. You need 3.20 to buy the comic book. That means yes, you can make this purchase. Got it? The given money is enough. You can make this purchase. The correct option is yes. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is making change. Okay, you have $9.75 to buy a fish bowl costing 9.53. You receive the following change. Is the correct amount of change? Is this the correct amount of change? So you pay 9.75. Got it? First subtract 9.75 out of 9.53. Got it? That means the change you got is you that means the change you are left with 0.22. Now you have to just look at the coins. You have two of the dimes cost 0.10, and then you have two pennies and pennies cost 1, so it would be 2.20, it would be 0.22. That means yes, you got the correct change. Got it? It's okay, we will do this lesson next week in the next session. It's a bit tricky and we have very less time to cover it. Got it? So we were working on grade 3 maths, and we are working with the chapter money. The lessons we have covered today are multiply money amounts, divide money amounts, count coins and bills up to $5, Purchases, do you have enough money? Up to $10. Got it? This is a mistake here. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. If you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions if you have any. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.